You have two kinds of people. You have the one who applies to a job, then go on Facebook and scrolls forever. And you have the other one who applies to a job, reach out to the recruiter on LinkedIn, gets job interviews, and sign the offer. I may be exaggerating on this one, but you get the point. I say recruiters, but it can be anybody on LinkedIn, okay? Did you know 35% of people open messages solely because of the subject line? The people you want to reach receive dozens of messages every day, so how do you stand out? The key is to solicit the person's curiosity. Here's 3 things you can do to grab a person's attention only with the subject line. Mention their name in the subject line, mention a shared connection, mention a personal information about them. Please don't try to combine all 3 in one subject line. You will sound like a stalker more than anything else. Also, keep your subject line between 7 and 10 words. People will mostly be reading your message on a mobile phone, so make sure they can read the whole line. Don't worry, we'll make an example together. So let's start by making up a recruiter. For example, Sean, a Microsoft recruiter. A good example can be Sean, I loved your article on the importance of diversity at Microsoft. This subject line is good because you mentioned the recruiter's name and something personal you could have found on his LinkedIn recent activity. Believe me, the majority of people don't even bother looking for information on their recruiter. They are about to message. Remember the goal of LinkedIn, simply connecting people and engaging with them. Please don't think that you will get a job only by messaging one person with one message. Your aim is to build a connection and a relationship that will help you achieve your goal later on. Start by quickly introducing yourself. People are busy and might not have the time to look your profile. So state who you are, what do you do, and why are you messaging them. So my first sentence can be something like, hey Sean, my name is Maddie. I'm a current business student at McGill University. I came across your article on how diversity drives innovation in corporations, and I really enjoyed it. Ask them about a recent post or article they wrote, or something about their company's culture, or something personal about them that you can't find on the internet. Something related to what you want or what you need to know. Then your main body should be specific about your request and personalized to your recruiter. I know I can contribute to Microsoft diversity with my unique background. Indeed, I'm considering the business analyst role you promoted last week. I can add significant value to your young and motivated team with my SQL skills and international experience. I also saw that you studied at McGill University. As a fellow alumni, I know I would contribute positively to your team's growth, but also have fun and represent Microsoft work culture. See that I mentioned at least 3 personal things about the recruiter. 1. His article. 2. The post where he promoted the job. 3. Where he studied. That's a personal message I would send. Now you can do better depending on you and the recruiter you want to message. Oh, also, don't forget about the call to action at the end of your message. Can you take a call tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. to discuss any insights you may have about the job opportunity? You can set up a call, a coffee meeting, anything. They just have to do something at the end of your message. So now you're ready to message anyone on LinkedIn. Remember, the only thing that counts is personalization, 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 personalization. I can go on forever if you want to. A general message without any details will be seen as sloppy. I hope these tricks will help you in your job search. If you have any strategy that worked for you, leave them in the comment section below. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to get all my future videos. I'm here to assist you in your job hunting. #great things to come. Ciao.